Pistol Pete Maravich died of a heart attack while playing a pickup game with some friends. He never finished that game.
First half, the score, the New York Jets 10 and the Kansas City Chiefs 3. Namath calls it for New York and drops back to pass. He is looking through. Namath dropping back in a hurry to throw and stays in the pocket. He throws to the far side. Great catch by Maynard on the 45-yard line. Mark Smolinski down on the 41-yard line of San Diego. A great leaping catch. Smolinski at the 10. He's down to the 6. Mark Smolinski on a slant in. Stopped by Staggs and Tolbert. And the clock.
Wish I could have been there. Wish I could have been there. 69. Wish I could have been there. Wish I could have been there. He's driving to the hoop. Left-handed. 18-footer. It's good. Yes. Count it. Reed with the rebound. Brings it up court. To Malone. Turn around. Scoop shot is good. Magic. Between his legs. Spin. It's up. And a foul, ladies and gentlemen. What a shot. What a shot. Fakes left. Behind the back. Between the legs. Left hand. Twitches back. It's good. Driving layup for 2 points.
Nice shooting.
Yo, man, where'd you come from?
Around.
Yo, I've been playing ball here for years, man. I've never seen you in this park before. Just move around here or something?
Nah, I'm just here for a little while. How about a game?
21 all right?
You shoot for it. So you like Joe, huh?
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Only the best for me. Namath, Mantle, Mays, LT, Kareem.
Kareem.
And the best of them all, Bo.
Oh. Bo who?
Bo Jackson.
Who's that?
Plays for the Raiders and for Kansas City.
Plays both?
Yes.
How's he do that?
Only Bo knows. Yo, man, where'd you get those sneakers from? I haven't seen Cons in a long time.
Well, I've had him a while.
We gotta be way past 21, man. Let me take a quick break, all right? Damn, I'm tired, man. Ooh, you gotta be tired. Yo, you know who you remind me of? No. Where'd you go? Guy, you left your hat.